Hi YouTube, Eric here. So something to know about these Ford F-150s equipped with a 3.5 liter Ecoboost is that if you do a lot of towing, and I mean by a lot of towing I mean something heavy, and you're into the turbos a lot, you're going to smoke your spark plugs far more frequently than you ever imagined. In my case, my truck's got 83,000 miles on it, and I have a misfire caused from a carbon tracking on one of my spark plugs, and when I pulled all 6 of them out, there's only one that had carbon tracking, but all 5 were ready to go. So this is my 3rd set of spark plugs that I'm putting in, and inevitably it always seems to come up in the middle of winter. So today it's 15 degrees, and when I take apart my electrical connectors, the plastic, which is Ford plastic, is brittle, and when it's cold, whether it's interior plastic or if it's just electrical connector plastic, they all broke. So I have a tip on how to fix broken Ford electrical connectors as they go into the coil sticks. All right, so here I'm going to show you. So my tip is this. Since this is the 3rd time I have come at this engine with a set of spark plugs, literally all 6 electrical connectors have busted on my Ford Ecoboost at the connectors. And so in order to retain the electrical connectors, since they've lost their snap, I want you to take a careful look at this. I'm using a couple of zip ties, okay, and one zip tie wraps around the back side of the stick coil and around the back side of the electrical connector, and it could potentially fall off, and so I'm using another zip tie wrapped it around the electrical connector the other way to hold it on tight, and this has worked. And so this is the best solution I've come on up. If I use safety wire, I introduce the potential for spark arcing in weird places. So that's why I'm sticking with a plastic solution. And quite frankly, working with zip ties is faster and easier than safety wiring things on. Anyway, YouTube, that's my tip. And so that's the tip I've got for you today, YouTube.
How hard is it to follow just a few guidelines and smile while you do